guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be swapping out my exterior lighting for some new LED lighting. So currently it's a halogen setup right now. We're going over to LED because LEDs are supposed to be more reliable, as well as it's supposed to be a lot brighter. My headlights currently are already LED. I swapped those bulbs out a long time ago. So today's main focus is really the bumper lights and the tail lights and possibly the clear corners. I'm not sure if I'm going to swap those yet. So we're going to do a before and after comparison, as well as go over the installation on these bulbs. So let's get to work. All right, to remove this, it's quite straightforward. It's just 2 Phillips screws on each side. So we'll remove that, pop the lens out, and pop the whole blinker out, and then just twist the bulb up. Speed things up, I'm just going to use some power tools. Just like that, pops out, and here's the connector. You just twist this out like that, and the bulb is right there. So what I would do is use a paper towel or something to hold the bulb, because if you get any grease on it, it will kind of blow this bulb in the future. But you could always clean the bulb before you put it back if you ever had to put it back to halogen. But I don't think I'm going to be swapping back, but these will just be spares. So all you really do is just push in, twist to the left, and it comes out, just like that. And we're going to save those because they're still good. Now we're going to be swapping it with these right here. They come in multiple colors. You could essentially just swap these with white, but I got them in amber, red for the blinker, red for the tail light, and white for the backup light. So I got the right color for the right light, essentially. So you can run all white because the reflector here is orange anyways, but I decided just to get the right color just in case. And just like how you pop that one off, you just put it back the same way. Just push in, twist to the right, and that's basically installed. And then you twist this right back into here, like so. Now before you put everything back, I would suggest testing it out, making sure that everything is working before you do that. So before I screw it all, we'll just test the blinker out. And that seems to be working. So let's just screw this back and then we'll work on the other side. For the tail lights, it's quite straightforward as well. There's these 2 panels here on each side. We're working on the left side right now. So all you do is just lift and open up and pop the panel up like so. And then it's the same kind of process. You just twist the bulbs, like the socket out, and then you pop the new bulb in. So let's just do this real quick. This is the reverse light we'll do first. It might be easier if you want to remove this whole hatch panel, but I'm not going to do that. I could kind of reach it like this, but it is easier if you do take it out. You don't have to use your fingers and, you know, try to get in there because the space is still quite tight. Now you maneuver the bulb out. The wiring, it's a little tight here because of the wiring and all that. But it is doable. Like that. So it's kind of unavoidable to touch it. So pop that off. And there's a little bit of corrosion in there. So maybe we get some sandpaper and sand that down. That's probably a good practice because some of these lights, you know, over time they get like condensation and stuff in there. So I'm going to clean this up before I put the new bulb in just to have better contact. So to clean up the corrosion, we're actually going to be using a rotary tool and an attachment, and we're just going to go in there and just, you know, wire brush it out. Just like that, it's quite clean now. We're just going to wipe it a little bit with some paper towel. And I use some isopropyl alcohol as well, just to clean it up a little bit. There you go, nice and clean. Then now let's pop the new bulb in. So we're going to be using a white bulb. So these are the white ones. And just like the front signals, all you do is just slip it in like that, and it clicks in. So you do want to test it before you put everything back together, just in case, because sometimes these LEDs, they're a little faulty. So we're just going to go in the car and just turn it into reverse right now. And that works. And then we just gotta pull it up and then slip it in. It's a little bit tough to do. There you go. And then reinstall in reverse order by just turning right. There you go, that's clicked in. Now we work on the rest of the bulbs. Right, so the side marker thing, which is just your parking light, it's I think a small little bulb here. I think I'll just replace it anyways, because you know it's best to have all LEDs. So these will be the same as the license plate bulbs. So all you do is just pull on this, slowly wiggle it out, and it comes right out. And these are polarity sensitive, so it might not work the first time you put it in, so you have to test it. Yep, not on, so we gotta flip this around. There you go. So we'll go ahead and finish up all the rest of the lights, and then we'll show you a after. So we've got this side done. So we can actually do a really good side-by-side comparison right now. So that side is not done yet. So let's turn on the lights and see how much brighter it is between the two. Alright, here's a look at the clear corner with the halogen and with the LED. I think the LED looks a lot better. We're going to go with the LED. There you go, guys. We finished the installation on the LED bulbs for my car. Everything is converted to LED now, and it looks fantastic. The only issue is the blinkers are blinking a little fast, and that's because it's the flasher relay. The flasher relay is made for halogen setup, the stock one at least, so we need to replace the flasher relay. It's because the resistance is a little different in the flasher relay. With a new flasher relay, you can actually adjust how fast or how slow you want your blinkers to blink. I don't have my new flasher relay yet, but once that comes in, I'll show you guys how to install that. It's pretty straightforward. So you guys are probably wondering, how much does this whole conversion cost, as well as what size bulbs to get? Well, this whole conversion cost me about $40 Canadian, and the bulb sizes are your front blinkers, as well as your rear blinkers, and your reverse lights are all 1156, and your brake lights, they're all 1157, and your clear corners and your parking lights in the back are all T10 bulbs. That's basically it. If you guys are going to order some, those are your sizes. Anyways, I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.